A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to integration by part, means product of two function integrals. So see, question is evaluate the integral integration over e to the power root x dx. So this is our question and we have to integrate. Now first of all, what we have to consider in this function. So see the solution. The given integrals let t is equal to root x. So in this question, you will see or when you will differentiate one upon 2 root x dx, means dt by dx result is this. So dx result, what we can write? This implies dx is equal to, we can write 2 root x dt, and root x result is t, so this will be 2t dt. Now integration over e to the power, this result is t, and now dx we can write 2t dt, and now 2 is constant, that will be outside the integral. So 2 times integral over e to the power t with the dt, t dt. This is exponential, this is algebraic, this is exponential, and this is algebraic. So you will take first function t. Now this will be the first function and this will be the second function. So what will be its integral? First function integration of second function. So first function integration of second function minus integration over d by dt of first function, d by dt of t into integral of e to the power t dt whole dt. Now result means 2e to the power t dt, result we can write t times e to the power t minus this result d by dt of t, result is 1, and its integral is e to the power t. So e to the power t dt means same result will be t times e to the power t minus e to the power t. So result, this is the 2 times, so here is 2, so 2 outside the bracket, 2 into t e to the power t minus e to the power t. Now result, what we can write? At the place of t we have to put root x. So result will be 2 times root x e to the power root x means result is 2 times root x minus 1 e to the power root x. Now plus c. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is integrate the function integrate tan inverse 3x minus x cube whole upon 1 minus 3x square. This is the function we have to integrate. Solution, we have to operate integral sign. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube whole upon 1 minus 3x square. This is the result. We have to integrate. So in this question, what we have to consider? We have to consider x is equal to tan theta. Consider, we are going to consider, let x is equal to tan theta. This implies dx will be equal to sec square theta d theta. Now expression we can write integration over tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and dx result is sec square theta d theta. Now this result we can write integration over tan inverse, this result is tan 3 theta with sec square theta d theta. Now result we can write 3 theta into sec square theta d theta. So 3 is outside the integral. Integration over theta time sec square theta d theta. Now we can see this is trigonometric, this is algebraic. So AT first and second. Now this one we can write 3 times theta into sec square theta means first function, integration of second function minus integration over d by d theta of theta into integral of sec square theta whole d theta. And now this one we can write 3 times theta into tan theta minus integration over tan theta d theta. Now again we have to solve. In next steps, what we will get the result? Result is 3 times theta into tan theta minus log of mod of sec theta now plus c, because tan theta result is log of mod of sec theta. So this one what we can write, 3 times theta result we have consider x is equal to tan theta. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. So 3 times this is x and this is tan inverse x. So x tan inverse x minus log of mod of this result we can write root over 1 plus tan square theta now plus c, and this tan theta we can write x square. So result will be 3x tan inverse x minus 3 times log of mod of root over 1 plus x square now plus c. Now what we can write this answer? Answer is 3x tan inverse x. This is root है, log in root. So this one also we can write with positive sign 1 upon. So 3x tan inverse x plus 3 into log of mod of 1 upon root over 1 plus x square, and now plus c. Now this is the answer. You can see. In last steps, we have to eliminate x or theta in terms of x. All expression we have to convert in terms of x. So we have considered this function, and theta we have to replace by x. Now this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is integration over x square cos inverse x dx. So this is the question. We have to integrate. So how we can solve this question? How we can solve this question? See, in this question, what we have to consider? What we have to consider? So this is x square cos inverse x. So in this question, we have to consider first function. This is inverse. So we are going to consider this is first and this is second. So integration over first function I am writing here, cos inverse x into x square dx is equal to first function, this is second function. So cos inverse x first function, integration of second function minus integration over dy dx of first function. dy dx of first function means minus with 1 upon root over 1 minus x square. This is the derivative, and with integration over this is x square dx, and now whole dx. See, if any doubts can clear it. So result we can write, suppose this is I is equal to, I am writing this is x cube by 3 and this is cos inverse x minus, and minus this will be plus sign. So what will be the result? This is with plus sign, integration over this is x cube whole upon root over 1 minus x square dx. Now how we can solve this? So this expression we can write, this expression we can write I is equal to x cube by 3 cos inverse x plus this term we can write, this is by 3 also here. So 1 by 3, this one we can write x in bracket 1 minus x square, and now plus this is minus x. So see, or we can write minus sign, this is x. So minus x plus x will cancel and this will be plus x cube, and whole upon root over 1 minus x square now dx. This function we have to integrate. So integration over is here. So x cube by 3 into cos inverse x plus 1 by 3 in big bracket. This one we can write minus integration over x time root over 1 minus x square dx, and plus This is x upon root over 1 minus x square dx. Now see, now then what we have to do? In this question, what we have to consider? X time this is power 1 by 2. So what we have to consider? So when you will consider, this is t square. So what you can get the result? When you will consider this is t, so t to the power 1 by 2, result will be 3 by 2, power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2, and now minus 2x dx. So minus is here, minus 2x dx, minus x dx is minus dx is minus x dx is here. So minus 2, so minus 1 by 2 will be here, means 1 by 2. Now result what we can write? Result we will write x cube by 3 cos inverse x, and this is minus minus, so plus 1 by 6 t to the power, means 1 minus x square is t, so result will be plus 1 by 6 t to the power 2 by 3. So what we can write? 1 by 6 into 1 minus x square to the whole power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2. See, this result is 3 by 2. Now with plus sign, how we can solve this integral? In this integral, we have to take, what we have to take? In this integral, what we have to take? Suppose you are going to consider this is t square, so this will be t, so 1 upon root t, result will be root t, and t when you will consider, so you will get the result with negative sign, so its integral will be 1 by 3 will multiply, so 1 by 3 with negative sign minus x dx, result is this, so 1 by root t, 1 by root t integration result you know, root t, it means this will be root over 1 minus x square. And now plus c. Now what will be the answer? Answer will be, answer I am writing here, answer will be x cube by 3 cos inverse x, x cube by 3 cos inverse x plus 1 by 6, means divide by 2, result will be 1 by 3, means this will be 1 by 9, 1 minus x square to the whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 root over 1 minus x square, and now plus c. Now this is the answer. Now this question is totally completed. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now this question is totally completed. You can see. So there are so many questions related to integration by part. and at least 5 questions you have to practice daily, then you can perform better in your examinations. So do practice daily.